Alright guys, I want to talk about the benefits of my channel, okay? So I'm sure I've saved lives, right? I'm sure people feel really good about what my content's all about, what I like to talk about, all the fact that I support all these human rights things, right? All that, right? They like that very much. And I think, if you actually look at some of the things I've done. Now, I helped a homeless person find a home on my channel because they were in my live and they found a home. So that was really nice. I love that. Then I helped some people, um, so I help people with getting a job. I help people with getting a job. I help people with quitting addictions. I help people with feeling good about their body image because they know hearing it from someone that's really pretty and good looking and knowing that everybody's beautiful is a nice thing, right? I help people with all these things, right? Because I know it's important to people, and we all have these things where we have to make sure, that we know we're important. And I think, like I keep saying, guys, sometimes people are really rich and really good looking and they have it all, but they're not happy, right? So, looking at people and comparing people, yeah, if you want to, go ahead, right? But don't ever do it in a way where it's damaging to you or feeling upsetting to you, because at the end of the day, they might not be doing well. Like even someone like Madonna, right? I love Madonna. I think she's awesome. I feel like she's thriving, and I think she's doing really well, right? But she might not be. Because I think she's thriving doesn't mean she is, right? But I mean, she seems to be, right? But I mean, when you look at people's lives, and I'm pretty sure she's fine, but when you look at people's lives and you look at people's situations, so as you look at somebody, you think, my God, their situation is so good, they're doing so well, they look great, they have all these things, right? And then you look at your situation, you think, oh, it's crummy, I don't like it, right? And you might be doing really well, but you just don't feel like you're doing as good as they are. It's the whole mentality around celebrities, culture, right? There's always someone younger, there's always someone better looking, there's always someone prettier, there's always someone with more money, right? But at the end of the day, if you're happy with who you are, sometimes you're doing better than those people, right? Not that we're comparing, but like some people aren't happy, right? You know what I mean? Like it's not just because you're rich and good looking. There are people that have no money and they're really happy, right? Genuinely, I mean it, right? Like I've seen people that are happy. There are minimalists that love being minimalist. There are people that have nothing. Obviously, having money is great. We love money. We want money, obviously. A lot of people would say, hey, it's great, right? I've heard of stories, crazy stories about lottery winners. They win the lottery, they win like $20 million. They end up spending all their money, getting into a lot of trouble, and their life is way worse. And not all cases are like that. Some people don't do well, but some people have a business, family business or something after that, but when they win the lottery. But some people have a really hard time. Some people, I knew this one guy, well, I didn't know him, he was just on social media. They talked about him. He won the lottery, he won millions of dollars, he quit his job, shopped like crazy, bought a lot of stuff, had too much debt, so had to sell everything. Then he got the same job he had before, right? Because he lost all of his money, he spent it all, was in debt, had to pay it all back, and then he had to work his same job, right? And most people do the lottery to win big money so that they don't have to do any job, right? But that's what happened, right? To that person, right? Anyway, thank you guys. That's what I heard on TikTok, or YouTube or TikTok. Bye guys, thank you. Oh, I think it was YouTube. Thank you so much, bye now.